Welcome to Exploring Charting, your guide to navigating Stock Rover's powerful charting tools. Whether you're tracking price trends, analyzing technical indicators, or comparing fundamentals, this video will walk you through it step by step. Let's jump in by first selecting what to chart. It's super simple. From My Collections, I'll go to World. I'll select the Dow 30. Right now we're using All Layout, which shows the table, chart, and Insight panel together. If you prefer a larger view, switch to the chart layout to maximize the chart. I'll do that now. For this example, we are charting Apple. This is Stock Rover's main price chart showing how Apple has performed over our selected time period of 2 years. Under chart settings, you can switch between dollar and percentage change views, use a logarithmic scale to smooth out large price moves. You can also toggle to candlestick or OHLC for detailed price action. Hovering on the chart shows a tooltip with more information. You're not limited to one ticker. We'll add Microsoft. We'll right-click on Microsoft and select Compare and Chart. Here we see Apple and Microsoft together. You can also add benchmarks. We'll select the S&P 500 and click on the label to set it as a baseline of comparison. Clicking the label again undoes the baseline. If you want to clean up the view, simply click on the X next to any ticker or benchmark. To add context, you can overlay events like earnings announcements, stock splits, dividends, maximum drawdown, portfolio activity, and alerts. Let's select earnings events. Just hover over an event icon for quick details. If you're looking for trends or momentum, Stock Rover offers a full set of technical indicators. Examples include Bollinger Bands, MACD, RSI, Simple Moving Average, volume bars, and much more. Each one highlights a different part of the stock's story. Here we'll add MACD as an example. We'll stick to the default settings. This chart shows the MACD indicator along with its signal line and histogram. Another powerful tool within technical analysis is ratio charts. Ratio charts allow you to compare the relative performance of two tickers or ETFs directly on the chart. Instead of looking at individual trends, you're analyzing how one security is performing relative to another over time. Let's walk through an example. In the ratio chart window, you can select tickers and metrics to compare. Use the metric input box to search by name or description. Or click Browse to see all available metrics and choose the one you want. Here we're comparing the relative price performance of Apple and Microsoft. You can also overlay technical indicators like Simple Moving Average to analyze trends further. Let's expand the ratio chart. Stock Rover now displays a ratio line along with the Simple Moving Average. When the line trends up, Apple is outperforming Microsoft. When it trends down, Apple is underperforming Microsoft. Ratio charts are especially useful for spotting relative strength or weakness, or comparing a stock against a sector ETF, index, or other benchmark. Let's hide the ratio chart and technical charts. Another powerful tool is fundamental charting. For example, you can plot price to earnings and price to sales ratios, or choose from hundreds of other metrics using Browse. This lets you see how a company's financial performance aligns or doesn't with its stock price. Stock Rover gives you powerful ways to visualize valuation. We've selected to chart Microsoft. Let's start with the price versus fundamental chart. Let's expand. The price versus fundamental chart shows how a stock's price relates to a chosen fundamental metric over time. Click the hamburger menu to choose from 7 key metrics. We'll stay with earnings per share and include the simple moving average. We've selected to go back 5 years. Here, Microsoft's price, the blue line, is plotted alongside its earnings per share, the green, with both lines starting at the same point. The area under the earnings per share line is shaded for clarity. This makes it easy to see if the price is moving in sync with the company's fundamental, or if it's running ahead or lagging behind. It's a fast visual way to assess valuation trends and spot potential mispricing at a glance. We'll hide the chart. Next is the historical range. The historical range chart shows where a fundamental sits relative to past values. Here, you can choose from 7 key metrics. We'll stay with price to earnings and a trailing period of 1 year. The chart background is color-coded: red for overvaluation, white for normal valuation, green for undervaluation. The blue line plots the price to earnings, while the red and green lines plot the trailing minimum and maximum values for the trailing period, which in our case is a trailing 1 year. This chart offers a quick visual way to determine if a stock is trading within its historical valuation range. Next is the football field. Here we see 9 of Microsoft's key valuation metrics, along with minimum and maximum values within the 5-year period, with the blue line showing current values at a glance. These valuation charts, price versus fundamental, historical range, and football field, provide quick, intuitive ways to visualize a company's value, giving context to its stock price over time. Charting isn't just for tickers. You can also chart portfolios, watch lists, and screeners. For example, from the Start menu, I'll select Portfolios. We'll right-click on a portfolio and select Chart. Let's go back 2 years. We'll right-click on a second portfolio and select Compare in Chart. We'll add a benchmark for extra context. Here we see Stock Rover automatically calculates portfolio returns based on each ticker's weighting in the portfolio, reflecting its size relative to the whole. That's your quick tour of charting in Stock Rover. from price trends to technical indicators, from fundamentals to valuation, and even comparing portfolios, watch lists, and screeners. Use these tools to deepen your insights and make smarter investing decisions. I hope you found this video useful. I encourage you to explore Stock Rover and see all that it has to offer, as well as check out our educational videos on our website. Thank you for watching.